Let's work on adding fractions with common denominators, or with same denominators. Here we have 3 over 8, or 3/8, plus 2/8. So again, as long as our denominator is the same, we can work with this. So we'll keep that denominator, an 8, and we'll just add the numerators. That's our rule. So 3 plus 2 would be 5. So 3/8 plus 2/8 would be 5/8. And again, we could draw out a picture and see that that was true. Here's our next one. It says 1/4 plus 1/4 equals. Well, again, our denominators are the same, so we would keep that denominator the same. Those are the same size pieces. And we would add 1 plus 1, add our numerators to get 2. Now, looking at this is not fully simplified. We should always write our final answers in fully simplified form. Here, these both have a 2 in common. So 2 will go into 2 one time, and 2 will go into 4 2 times. So when we reduce this, that becomes 1/2. And again, if you think about this one, if you had a fourth of a circle and a fourth of the circle in together, that a half. So visually, that checks out also. Now, we can see fractions, addition of fractions horizontally, or we could also see them happen vertically. And it means the exact same thing. So here we have 9/10 plus 3/10. Well, again, our denominators are the exact same, so we would keep that denominator of 10 and only work with the numerators. 9 plus 3 would be 12. This is not a good answer. First of all, it's an improper fraction, and we can't have that. So we need to change it into a mixed number. So 12 divided by 10. 10 will go into 12 one time with a remainder of 2. So that is really 1 and 2/10. But now look at 2/10. That's not fully simplified either, because 2 will go into 2 one time and 2 will go into 10 5 times. So to be fully simplified, that would have to be 1 and 1/5. That is our better answer there. Let's try another one. This one says 2 over 9, or 2/9, plus 1 over 9, or 1/9. Well, our denominators are the same, so we would keep that denominator of 9 and work with the numerators. 2 plus 1 would be 3. Now this is our answer, but it is not in the best form. It's not in lowest terms. Remember that word? 3 will go into 3 one time, and 3 will go into 9 3 times. So fully reduced, or fully simplified, this answer would be 1/3. Now our last example here, we have actually 3 things being added together. And we can do that no problem as long as those denominators are the exact same thing. As long as the denominators are the same, we can keep that denominator and work with the numerators. So 2 plus 8 would be 10, plus 12 would be 22. Now here again, we always want to check and make sure that we're in lowest terms before we're done. And this is not in lowest terms. These are both even numbers, so we know at least they're divisible by 2. 2 will go into 22 11 times, and 2 will go into 54 27 times. So fully reduced, this is 11 over 27, and that is the proper way to answer it.